This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So now just a couple of words about the gold market. Well, as you can see on the daily time frame chart, we see some continuation after this, if we could call it as a reversal on the gold market. Market has shown slightly action to the upside. The major concern here is still the same, guys. It could be really the trap, because market has shown some sort of the appearance of the reversal right here, but this has happened too early, since market hasn't quite hit the significant targets that stands in this area, and also just leave behind the significant low. That's very untypical for the gold market. That's why currently I still do not think that this is really the reversal, and that is just the fake, I suppose, some sort of the trap that market is forming here, showing some kind of the upward action, but it's very great probability that market sooner rather than later will return right back down and hit this target. What will happen after that is very difficult to say, whether this will be the true breakout or not, but if market will take out of these targets and grabs the stops below these lows, it's very probable that market will reach 1160, 1175 area. And later we will see what to expect more on the gold market. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that market stands in some area of the resistance. So here you can see was the natural support resistance line, support again, resistance. Now it's again resistance. Market has passed through it. Now it stands around the weekly pivot resistance one. Slightly higher we have the 1235 fib resistance level, 618 resistance of that high. From this high to this low, which is 618 resistance right here, and take a look. 1618 extension resistance area. So if we will take a look some sort of this A, B, C bottom, this is not the extension target, because in this case we can see that C point slightly lower than A point. And this unacceptable for using such sort of the extensions for estimating the target, the objective point. But you could use such sort of the tool as the fib extension to estimate the support resistance lines when the C point stands slightly lower than A point. In our case, we will get the 1618 extension of that ABCD pattern that coincides with the 618 resistance. So that adds some more resistance to this area. We'll see what will happen. Well, normally, if it will be the normal development, gold market probably should find some resistance in this area and probably could turn to the downside, as current situation on the daily time frame chart looks a bit suspicious, and at least currently I would not rely on this upward action, and I do not want to take the long position based on this upward action, because for me the existence of the significant targets that currently stand below the market have more weight than this current move up, and I suspect that this is really will be the trap. So first of all, we should wait and look at this resistance area between 1225 1235, since market could start move to the downside from this area, since this is acceptable resistance where market could turn to the downside and finally reach the area that we have discussed. So currently I don't know whether it makes sense to take the short position right here, because we still do not have any patterns just yet. Maybe on the hourly time frame chart, if market will form somewhere something at this top, maybe this will be the butterfly or something of that sort, well, we could try to take the short position with the target around 1170, 1175 area, if market will form here. But definitely I do not want to take the long position based on this upward action. On the conservative tactics and approach to the current market suggests first the reaching of the 1180 area, and second make any thoughts about the potential direction and choosing the trades on the gold market. Based on the daily time frame chart, we just need to wait when the market will hit this significant area, and after that we'll make the conclusion about the further trading. But in the for scalp trades on the intraday charts, well, I absolutely do not have any objection against possible trading on the short side of the market if we will get some patterns, reversal patterns in this area on the hourly time frame chart, on the 30-minute chart. Why not? But again, the focus event that should happen on the gold market is market's return right back down to the 1180 area.